Good morning, students. Welcome you all again in BPS Digital Online Classes. We are here with a previous one topic that is notice. Today is the last class for notice topic. So, first of all, we'll discuss, we'll write, we'll solve the question that was given in the previous class. And then later on, some more examples we'll discuss in our class. Question was, you are Mr. Ajay Pal Singh, editor of school magazine in BPS Convent School, Lakshmangarh Sikar. Write a notice inviting the articles for the school magazine that is going to be published in this month. So, first of all, we have to solve this one. I think you all have become very familiar to this topic and it has become very easy to attempt such type of questions. First of all, you will make a box. It is BPS Convent School Lakshmangarh Sikar. In the left side, you will write the date July 1st, 2020. It is for all. The word notice will be written and then heading. After leaving one line space, heading was articles for school magazine. Now we are to clarify the heading. It is hereby informed to all the students of the school that our school is publishing school magazine Jyotsna. If you want to write the name of that particular school magazine, then you can also you can invent the name of the school magazine by yourself. If any student want to publish his article, poem, joke, Hindi and Sanskrit may give his writing to the undersigned authority by 10th July 2020. No entry will be accepted after the given date. Then again you will leave one line space and then name will be there, Mr. Ajay Pal Singh, Ajay Pal Singh, student editor, and here the sign will also be there. Now the thing is that name of school, place, date, target class, the word notice, then you will leave one line space, title or heading, and then the content of the notice will be there, and then one line will be left blank. Then signature of the issuing authority, name of the issuing authority, and the designation of the issuing authority, and after that the box will be closed from the fourth side also. You will have you should avoid cutting, overwriting. Font size should be same. Okay, and new page, you will start from the new page, and you should try to do that the whole notice in one page only. This is completed. Now next I am writing some questions. Total 5 questions we have solved. Now the question number 6. You are Ashish Kumar, PRT, Art and Craft. In Government Senior Secondary notice informing about a poster competition for class 6 to 8 and 9 to 12. Question number 7. Write a notice informing the students of class 9th and 10th about a quiz competition on 25th July 2020. Invent the other details. Question number 8. Here we have not written that name. You are Navtej TGT Science in Scholars International School, Jaipur. Question number 8. You are Mr. Harish Kumar, Secretary, AVM Society, Jaipur. Your society is organizing a blood donation camp on 25th July 2020. Write a notice informing and inviting the donors. Question number 9. And in question number 9, we can have you are Harshit Mahela, head boy, BPS Convent School, Lakshmangarh, Sikar. Write a notice informing the students about science exhibition that will be held on 30th July, on 30th July 2020. Now, these are the sample questions, these are the exercise questions that should be done by you, as we have already discussed about notice. Now, I explain these four topics, these four questions to you. The first question is, you are Ashish Kumar, PRT. PRT means the teacher who teaches in primary sections. You are Ashish Kumar, PRT Art and Craft in Government Senior Secondary School, Ajmer. Write a notice informing about a poster competition for class 6 to 8 and 9 to 12 students. What important information is rendered, is given to us? Name Ashish Kumar, PRT Art and Craft, school's name Government Senior Secondary School, Ajmer. You'll have to write notice about what? About a poster competition. Target group क्या है? What's the target group? 6 to 8 and 9 to 12 students. Then how will you write? You can write what? From 4, 6 to 12. And in the body of the notice, you can segregate them, you can make them separate. How? I tell. Name of school, place, date, target group, notice, heading, leaving online space, title. Then hereby inform to all the students that our school is organizing a poster competition for 6 to 12 students. In two groups it will be held. One group will be of 6 to 8 class students, and the second group will be of 9 to 12 class students. Topic you can decide by yourselves, but must be related to a society, the nature, or the education. Then the date of submission, what type of paraphernalia, what type of items are required in that competition, what things you will bring with you. Then signature, name of the authority, and designation of the authority will be written. Next, second question. Write a notice informing the students of class 9 to 10 about a quiz competition on 25th July 2020. Invent the other details. You are Navtej TGT in Scholars International School, Jaipur. Underline what? Target class 9th, 10th. Quiz competition. Date 25th July. Your name is Navtej. Designation TGT Science. School's name is Scholars International School, Jaipur. And if other details or information is required, then you can invent. Invent means you can discover, you can write by yourself. Any imaginative information you can write here. How it is? Name of school, Scholars International School will be there, Jaipur will be there, date, for which class? For 9th and 10th, notice word, heading, quiz competition, leave line. It's hereby informed to all the students that poster competition is being held on this date. What the topic is there, you can write. GK quiz competition, science quiz competition there, you can decide by yourself. And in what groups, in what levels, in what stages this competition is about to organize, that you can write by yourself. The date of submitting the name, you can write by yourself. Then again, leaving one line space, sign, name and designation. Next one, you are Mr. Harish Kumar, Secretary, AVM Society, Jaipur. Your society is organizing a blood donation camp on 25th July 2020. Write notice informing and inviting the donors. This is different. By now we were doing the notices related to our school. Now this is not related to our school. This is related to our society. Suppose you are Harish Kumar and wherever you are living, that society's name is AVM Society, Jaipur. You are living in AVM Society, Jaipur. And you are the secretary in that society. And the people who are residing in that society have decided to arrange a blood donation camp. Name, post, organization. Heading, blood donation camp. Date, 25th July. And here you are informing the people, you are requesting the people to come along with them and donate the blood. If the people are unable to donate the blood, they should come. They can encourage the other students, they can motivate the other people, or if they are not willing to donate, but if they are willing to volunteer themselves, then they are also welcome here. This one done, 7 done, 8 also done. Now next is, you are Harshit Mehla, head boy, BPS Convent School, Lakshmangarh, seeker. Write a notice informing the students about science exhibition that will be held on 30th July 2020. How it is? School's name, BPS Convent School, Lakshmangarh. Underline the data, Harshit Mehla, head boy. School's name is given. Name of place is there. Science exhibition will be there. And date is also given. BPS Convent School, name of the school is there. Place, Lakshmangarh. In bracket, you will write seeker. Date, 1st July 2020, for all. Then notice word will be written in capital. Then leaving one line space, heading or title will be there. Title is science exhibition. Execution also can be written. Leaving one line space, the content or body of the notice will be written. And in that content, you will again write about science exhibition, what type of models or charts can be exhibited, on which date it is going to be held, by which date you will collect the charts or models, and then leaving one line space, you will write, do the signature, name of the authority, issuing authority will be there, and then at the end in bracket you will write the post or designation of the issuing authority. Of the issuing authority, the person who is issuing the notice, that person's post designation will also be written there at the end. It will be written in bracket, bracket will be off, and then the box will be closed. These are the examples. This is the way, this is the format that is used in notice writing. So today our notice topic is completed, and I hope you all have understood it very well, and if you have any query, then it can be solved, it can be discussed in our next classes. So again, thank you very much for heeding, for paying proper attention. We'll meet again in our next lecture very soon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.